These pieces of equipment would offer the most help with the skills we're about to go over. You could also just use these pieces of equipment, or you could just use one piece of equipment, whatever works best for you and your students. The side-to-side donkey kicks is first. This is one skill that can help students' muscles to develop a cartwheel. The noodle goes down, stars are where the hands will go, and the dots are where the feet will go. Start on one side, one hand on each star so the noodle's in between. Jump 2 feet up to your bottom, and then land on the opposite side dot. The side-to-side scissor kicks is another skill to help with cartwheel preparation. Starting on one side, again, one hand on each star, 1 foot up, the foot that's closest to the noodle. Then it's basically a leap over to the other dot. You start on one leg, land on the other, like a side-to-side leap. Students might want to try to start on one side to see which side they like starting on better. You can also count how you do this. Your hand would be 1, second hand 2, kick 3, and then you stand up on 4. Here is what a more advanced student might do. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4 with a hand pattern, still using those stars and circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what a more mature cartwheel would look like. Again, students might want to use the right or the left depending on which side is better. These next examples are the side-to-side donkey kicks and scissor kicks without the use of the star equipment. You just put the noodle and the dots down like before. Use the feet for the dots. The hands split the noodle, so one hand on each side. Sometimes less equipment is better, depending on the capability of the class. And the scissor kicks, again, one hand on each side of the noodle, leg closest to the noodle lifts up, basically leaping over to the other side and landing on that foot. And for the most advanced students in your class, a regular cartwheel might look like this without any equipment. Might even be able to do right and left sides.